Hello, here we are today, going to look at my homemade bellows dry wash. This is a wood frame construction. I used a steel ruffle board that I made from something else that I had, kind of improvised and made it work. I used a stainless steel screen that I picked up. I think it's from some type of aircraft air filter screen. I'm not sure. I got it from this crazy place on San Fernando Road called Apex. They had a lot of it laying around, and they seem to deal with a lot of aircraft stuff, parts and whatnot. Then I used expanded metal here for the classifier screen on top. You can pour the stuff on here, the material, and it will come down and drop out onto the raffle board. And then the raffle board pops out like so. And I've got seal weather stripping around here, so it makes a good seal. This is the inside of the bellows. I used a heavy piece of rubber for the inlet. I'm not so sure that's going to be big enough. We're going to try it. If not, I can add another inlet valve. Here's the underneath. And then the ruffle board snaps right down in like so. I might have to put some catches to hold it down. I don't know how much air pressure there's going to be. And I used a DC motor from an Elite gate operator. This is the battery backup motor, 12 volt. And then I used a big pulley from a Door King gate operator and a piece of 5/8 bar that I made my crankshaft out of. I put all this together, drilled holes here so the crankshaft bar would go through these, and then welded it, and then cut out the center. That kept everything true. And then used a Genie draw arm from a garage door for the arm so it goes up. And then just fabricated a catch up there. And then got all bronze bushings. Bronze bushings here and there. This has bronze bushings up in the top. And then on the crankshaft, bronze bushings in there. I don't know how they'll hold up with all the dirt that's going to be flying around, but this is just a prototype. And for the bellows, I just found some fabric. Actually, this is fabric that I found at Big Lots. It's for the bottom of your drawers in your kitchen, for I guess your knives and forks to sit on, whatnot. But it seemed really tough. I grabbed hold of it and really tried to rip and tear on it, and I couldn't tear the stuff. It's kind of a plastic coated fabric. I don't know. See how it holds up. And then down underneath here, used a hinge where it's going to be hinging, and cable over to my battery. So that's my homemade bellows dry washer. And here's how it goes. Hook up the power. And the sound you're hearing, that clicking, is that heavy rubber for the valve flopping open and closes, the bellows opens and closes. So until I get out and actually try it out on the claim, we're not going to know how it works. But put your hand here, you can really feel the air. A lot of air puffing up from there, from down below. So once this is all covered with material and it's sealed, hopefully the valve down below is going to let enough air in from below. I've been following a set of plans that I found on Google on how to do this thing, and also looking at a lot of pictures on YouTube of other people that have made their own. So I'm really anxious to get it out and see what happens. Actually added those two triangular pieces on the sides of the crankshaft because when I first started it up without those, I could really see the crankshaft flexing a lot. So I've added those, and now the crankshaft seems to stay really straight and solid. You can hear it really pumping some air. So when I get out to the claim and try it out, I'm going to make another video, and that'll be my update video. So there you got it. That's kind of my version of how to make your own bellows dry wash.